Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the solid-state drive 2230, loosen the 2 screws on the left side cover. Lift the cover off the system, identify the front cover and unlatch it from the system to remove it. Find the rotation bay assembly and disconnect the cables. Remove the assembly from the system. Identify the solid-state drive and remove the screw securing it. Lift the drive out of the system. To reinstall the solid-state drive 2230, place it back in the system and tighten the screw to secure it. Place the rotation bay assembly in the system and reconnect the cables. Relatch the front cover to the system and secure the side cover by tightening the 2 screws. Please note, the system will only power on and exit service mode if the adapter is connected. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.